Sarah!
They're coming.
No, they can't. You're not sick.
You know how this works, Nico. If she's sick, I'm sick.
To hell with the rules, Sarah. Let's just go now.
Nico. I'm not leaving Lita. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
Sarah, I'm not letting you give up.
We were never gonna get out of here. I have to let you go, Nico. Please say goodbye to me.
I'm not saying that, Sarah. I'm not saying that.
Please
Sarah,
say
I'm not
goodbye
saying
to
that.
me.
I'm gonna get the immunity passes today.
How?
I'll figure it out. I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming back for you.
Okay.